Hello everyone. I want to work on my scavenger hunt book a little bit today. I have to do I have to use an insert out of a magazine, a greeting card, and I have to make some pockets and insert some things. So what we're going to do today is we're going to come to the center of the book, and I'm going to put both of these things in as pockets. So I'll have used my insert out of the book, and what I'm going to do with this one is I folded it in half, and I'm going to leave it where I can open it if I so choose to put something in here. And the greeting card I'm just going to put in and then use it as a place where you can tuck things. So both of these are going to be pockets, and I am simply going to glue them on with some nice lovely wet glue. Come on now, I know there's glue in there. So I'm actually using my insert out of my magazine and the greeting card as the pocket. And I have things I want to put in these, but I don't want to put them in right away because I don't want them to I don't want the things to stick to the glue until the glue dries. So I am just going to put down what they are. Let's see, insert out of the magazine is 47, so this one is 47. And well, we want to better mark it off right away or I'll get confused. I know I'll get confused. And where's the greeting card? Greeting card 63 is the greeting card. And we have made a pocket. So add a pocket and insert something. So that's 32. And like I said, I'm not going to insert it today, right now, because I don't want to take a chance and have things stuck in it. So I'm going to go on and do something else while those get dry. And so the next thing I have is we have to use money. We have to have money, and we can use pretend money or real money. It just so happened that the other day I got some Monopoly money at the thrift store, so I'm going to use the Monopoly money. And what I want to do is, I think I am just going to collage this Monopoly money on this page. Maybe not. Maybe instead I'm going to create a little notepad that flips up. Put it over here. I like that. And that way, if you wanted to write on this, you could write on that. So we need, that'll work very nicely. What I'm going to do is staple this. I'm making a notepad, basically, is what I'm doing here, guys. Out of the Monopoly money. Okay, and now what I'm going to do is just glue it right there. Glue it down. And see, when it dries, then if you want to flip up, and you can write a little note on your Monopoly money. So that is money. Real or pretend is 54. Okay, can I write it right here? 54 money. I like how that came out. It looks cute in there. Okay. Well, I guess what I will do is show you the things that I'm going to tuck into my pockets when they get dry. I had to have calligraphy, and I had trouble with my calligraphy the last time. This happens to be someone else's calligraphy. It didn't say I had to write in my book. It said I had to add calligraphy. So this is going to be just tucked into this pocket, and I'm just going to tuck it in like that. So that means that I got to find the calligraphy. Calligraphy is 12. And then I needed an ATC, mine or a Facebook Friends Exchange, and this was from Beth Schuler, I believe, but she didn't sign it. It's a really cute ATC. That's number 7. And so I'm going to put number 7 in here. And we had to have a puzzle piece. A puzzle piece. Oh, I just mark off 7. And I think the puzzle piece was back here. Jigsaw puzzle piece or a playing card. So that's 46. And here's the playing card. And I'm just going to tuck it in. So those things will be tucked into that one. And that, what did I say? It was 47? No, 46. 46. So we've marked up quite a few things today. I think about 7. So I'm going to go on and figure out the next thing I need to do today. But I'm going to read you a quote from our 1001 Ways to Creativity and get on with the day. Well, that's if I can find a page. Well, I'm not sure if I have read that quote before or not, but I like it. To create like a god, you must first work like a slave. And I do like that one. Anyways, guys, go have fun, make some art. Bye-bye.